gonna cut through here. Why not? Now this is the way we haven't been yet. Some pretty good ruts. Come on, Zach, wake up. Bad thing about being in the back, you get all the dust in your eyes. That's the beauty of leading. You don't get any of the dust. It's all good though. I'll go this way with Mike. Kind of liking this section of the trail. Trying to bob my head around so I don't smack my GoPro. I don't like the GoPro mounted to the top of the helmet like it is. I don't like it. Man, look at all these fallen leaves back here. Let you know fall is upon us for sure. That wasn't a branch, that was a fucking stick sticking out. Starting to wake up a little bit now. Starting to finally wake up a little. This is the supposed tunnel. It's a pretty gnarly route there. A little water puddle. Nice little section of the trail. Man, that was a hard front tire. Whew, that was a hard front tire hit back there. Decent little rocky gravel hill climb. Whew. I'm officially starting to fully wake up now. Officially, because man, I was sleeping back there. We got another little hill climb here, looks like. I'll just putt up that one. Through the river. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't smack. I'm gonna have my head sideways through here. Because I can't really tell. That was pretty dope. But I couldn't tell. It's the mayor. Sand. Getting into that loose gravel slash sand bullshit. Whoa! The tent city. Man, this is some nice fucking trails right here, man. This is some nice shit, man. Didn't expect that to come up as quickly as it did. Oh, it hit me right in the balls. I'm trying to breathe in all his dust. Now I'm fogging now. Pretty badly. Oh, hit me in the balls. I don't know where we are. I don't know. My mirror got all kinds of jacked, bro. All kinds of jacked. Wasn't trying to hit that big ass rock back there. I need to take this fucking shield up. Couldn't see anything. I had to take that shield off. I hit a big ass rock. That's the shit you gotta watch as far as ruts go, invisible ruts. Like that. Like that. That was a mud rut there. Right in the lip. Right in the lip. I can't see anything. I've been saying it. I will be ordering me some goddamn Rain-X for my visor. Some of them wipes, because put your visor down and you can't see anything. It sucks. Either means one of two things. It's not going to be easier for me, or it's going to be harder for me. And we'll see which one. see which way they went. I guess maybe they went this way. Man, that shit got so rutted out back there when you guys went through, I couldn't get through it. I had to hop off.
I figured it was tough for me.
Yeah. Put my ass in the rut on this one. Oh, I'm finally awake, guys. Finally awake. Finally. You good? No. Got slick as shit back there, man. He got slick as shit back there. That was a deep ass rut. Some of these ruts back here are crazy deep. Whew, another one. Damn! Look at that. That's some shit. Dude, that shit looks deep. I see that. Now this is the shit you sink in. You don't get through this without four-wheel drive. Does it look like if we stay to the left here, it's more solid? Hey, hold up. Yo, let me get up there and give you a hand. Hold on. Well, guys, that'll be the end of today's video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Just a heads up, I'm actually currently planning a camping trip. We're shooting for October, possibly November, but I'd like to do one by I'd like to do one next month. We'll do a moto camp, and then as well as November. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm in the process of planning it out and finding the perfect spot. So should be fun. It's actually going to be a lot of fun. Should be a good time, you know, get away, do a little moto camp, ride to the site, maybe do a little riding around, pack up, and go from there. All right, guys, peace.